Everybody is looking for financial freedom. From e-commerce and freelancing to passive income streams, the path to $10,000 a month is yours to create. Start by setting ambitious goals. Grant Cardone's 10x rule tells us to multiply our goals by 10 and take massive action. Focus on wealth-generating assets, not material possessions. Real estate is a powerful tool. Invest wisely, scale your investments, and learn from your mistakes. Now let's talk about freelancing. It's more than just a side gig, it's a gateway to financial independence. Use your skills, market yourself, and watch your income grow. And don't forget passive income. Tony Robbins emphasizes building a diversified investment portfolio. Invest in money market accounts, 401(k)s, and IRAs to ensure steady growth. Financial freedom isn't just about money, it's about choice. The choice to work when and where you want. Take personal responsibility for your success. Create a financial plan, budget wisely, and diversify your income streams. Remember, the journey to $10,000 a month starts with a single step. Subscribe now and learn the secrets to financial freedom. Your $10K journey starts here. Like, share, and follow for daily success tips.